Sorry for the shaky video, guys. Kind of walking heavy winds. Leaving Bar Harbor, Maine, May 12th, 2018. Headed towards St. John, New Brunswick, Royal Caribbean, Grandeur of the Seas. We are in a thick pea soup fog. Literally cannot see over the rail of the ship. It's gonna get windy in a minute here. There's the ocean down there. We can barely see it. Let's see if we can see the front of the ship. The horns are gonna go off soon. They're going off every 2 minutes or so. Show you how crazy this is. That's where we're sailing into. Of course, nobody out here. If you ever want to know what a ship's horn sounds like, there you go. Alright, we'll try to hold this on the way back. It's cold outside. You can barely see the ship's radars and whatever stuff that is up there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but you can see the fog just swirling around ahead of me. Hundreds of people on deck enjoying the sun and the fun. This is awesome in that I got this entire deck to myself right now. Somewhere out there there's water. There you go. There's the water. Those voices you're hearing in the background is the movie playing on the outside theater. Yeah, that's cool. Alright, thank you, YouTube. That's enough.